Good day, members of the community. My name is Banzan Abastilias, and I am applying for the elementary teacher position at St. Cecilia's College, Cebu. I am a recent graduate of the Lisay City College with a Bachelor of Elementary Education. If I had to describe myself, I would say I am a naturally soft-hearted and patient person who finds joy in simple things and creative hobbies. I choose to pursue a career in education because I believe that the early years of a child's life are the most important. I want to be the kind of teacher who not only teaches children how to read and write, but also helps them build a good character. I want to create a classroom where students feel safe, valued, and excited to learn every single day. When it comes to my teaching philosophy, I believe that education should be nurturing and student-centered. Young children thrive when they are in a supportive environment where making mistakes is just viewed as a step toward learning. To accommodate diverse learning styles and ensure my classrooms are inclusive, I make sure to mix up how I present my lessons. For my visual learners, I love using digital platforms like Canva to design bright, colorful poster and attractive visual aids that make complex ideas easy to see and understand. For my auditory and kinesthetic learners, I bring the creative hobbies into classroom. I myself taught ukulele player. I have found that turning a lesson into a simple song or using music during activities naturally brings the whole class together, no matter their individual learning style. Classroom management is all about respect and understanding. If I have highly destructive student who is preventing others from learning, my first step is to stay calm and de-escalate. I would not yell or embarrass the child in front of their classmates. Instead, I would gently redirect their attention or give them a small helpful task to change their focus. Later, I would speak with them privately to understand the cause of their behavior. Because a destructive child is usually just a child asking for help or attention in the wrong way. Now, keeping students engaged during a complex or traditional dry lesson requires a bit magic. This is exactly where I would use storytelling or music. If we are learning a difficult topic, I will break out my ukulele and teach them a quick, catchy song about it. Or I will use my digital design to turn the lesson into a visual game. When you make learning feel like play, students stay engaged. If my students were to describe me in 3 words at the end of the school year, I would want those words to be patient, creative, and caring. Patient, because I never gave up on them when a topic was hard. Creative, because our classroom was always filled with colorful visuals and joyful music. And caring, because they knew they had a teacher who genuinely looked out for their well-being. Thank you so much for the review committee, for your time and for considering my application. I am very excited about the opportunity to bring my passion for teaching to St. Cecilia's College, Cebu 8. Have a wonderful day.
This dream cherry blossoms blooming in the mountains.